Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to replace the glass of your helmet. I have been using this helmet since last two years. My experience with this helmet is very good actually. Now I have started facing the issue with the glass. Actually what is happening is, it has got all the scratches. So I'm facing issues in the night time driving. So we'll start with the basics. You have to remove these screws on both sides. Please watch full video so that you can easily do it yourself. First unscrew it. First you have to remove the screw and this black color washer. Take a flathead screwdriver and remove the screw. Then pull out this washer. This is the screw and this is the washer. Just come out itself. Now arrange it systematically and in order. Now this has come off, so arrange it. Now on the other side, start unscrewing it. Once it is loose, just pull out gently with the washer. Now check this one. Just wash this carefully, its position, okay? You have to put it back in the same way. So wash this carefully, now pull it out and just arrange it. Then after this, keep it aside. See, this is left one, this is right one. Now we'll open the packet. I have ordered it from Amazon. Look, it is nice and clean, no scratches. So now we have to check the size and shape. So this has come off. Just push and slide it outside. Now check old versus new. Look, both are same. Compare. Actually, I have put the specifications in an order. Before ordering, I have given all the specifications of the helmet, so I don't have any issue. But still, compare both. Okay, compare the size and old and new one. Now again the same process. Align both the holes. And then first put on one side and then go on the other side. Put the screw back with the washer, screw and washer together, then hand screw it and make sure you don't cross thread it. Okay. First we will do the medium tight. Okay. Just do the hand tight. Don't do the final tight. Why? Because you have to fix the other side also, right? That is why. Now the same way. Put this bracket first and then the visor. Check the holes. This and this. Put it back carefully. Now align this one. See, it should be nice and perfectly seated. Okay, check this out. It should be evenly surfaced. Then screw this washer. Then start tightening. First we'll do this one normal tight, then go on the other side, do the standard tightening, do the hand tight. Don't over tight it. Why? Because you may slip the screw. Same on this side. Tight it nice and snug, but don't over tight it. Okay, check this one. It is fit and tight. Once you're done, just clean this new glass with good glass cleaner and with soft cloth. Check the difference. This is the old one and this is the new. Old, check how many scratches, and this is nice and clean. If you have any questions, just make sure to comment below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, friends. I have made various types of series for you, so please make sure to check those series. Bye friends, take care, wear helmet, ride safely.